Service in Upton, New York has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central New Haven County until 6:15 p.m. At 5:23 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Middlebury or near Naugatuck, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. This severe thunderstorm will be near Waterbury and Naugatuck around 5:30 p.m. Camden and Cheshire around 5:35 p.m. Wallingford and North Haven around 5:45 p.m. North Brentford around 5:55 p.m. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Friday afternoon. What flooding caused by excessive rainfall is possible? The National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a special marine warning for Long Island Sound west of New Haven, Connecticut, Port Jefferson, New York, until 7:15 p.m. At 6:08 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located near Eastchester Bay, moving east at 15 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater and small hail. Source, indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. The strong thunderstorm will be near Mamaroneck Harbor, Eastchester Bay, and Execution Rocks around 6:15 p.m. Baxter Estates, Manhasset Bay, and Hempstead Harbor around 6:20 p.m. Oyster Bay Harbor around 6:55 p.m. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until this storm passes. Wind gusts 34 knots or greater, small hail, high waves, lightning, and heavy rain are expected with this storm. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects. Flood watch in effect for western Suffolk County in southeastern New York until 7:45 p.m. At 4:33 p.m., radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 1 to 2 inches in 1 hour. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, radar. Impact, flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Islip, Brentwood, Deer Park, Lindenhurst, Medford, Ronkonkoma, Babylon, Patchogue, Holbrook, Bayshore, Melville, Sayville, Amityville, Yaphank, Cautry State Park, Gilgo State Park, Central Islip, West Islip, Copeg, and East Patchogue. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 7:45 p.m. for the following county: Suffolk, New York. Here is the forecast.